To replace the waste container, power the machine off by holding down the shutdown restart button until turn off power appears on the display screen. Then, press the power switch located on the left side to the off position. To remove the used waste container, raise the display up and open the panel door below. Then, press the blue release tab on the right side and gently remove the used waste container. Before disposing of the used waste container, remove the attached waste cap and place over the open container hole to prevent spilling of any waste toner. Insert the replacement waste container and push forward until it locks into place. Close the panel door and power the machine back on.